Forms on websites are a nightmare when they don't work right. Ever filled out a long form, hit submit, and lost everything because of one tiny error? That's terrible design, especially for people with disabilities. Here's how to make forms that actually work for everyone. First, every field needs a clear label that stays visible even when typing. Don't just use placeholder text that disappears. Mark required fields with required in the label, not just an asterisk. People using screen readers need to hear this clearly. The biggest mistake? Showing error messages while someone's still typing. Wait until they hit submit. This is especially important for people who type slowly or use assistive technology. When errors happen, be specific about what went wrong. Invalid input is useless. Please enter a valid email like name@example.com actually helps. Always keep the information people already typed when showing errors. Making someone start over is just cruel, especially for those with motor or cognitive disabilities. For multiple errors, create a summary at the top with links to each problem field. For screen reader users, use ARIA, attributes to announce errors properly. Better forms mean happier users and fewer abandoned carts. Small changes make a huge difference for accessibility and your conversion rates.